Did you get my flip?
Nope.
No.
Missed it. Darn.
I'm gonna do it again. It scared the bejeebies out of me. The first flip wasn't bad, but the double flip scared me to death.
Uh-huh.
Look how high I can go.
Oh, Lexi,
What?
you got a popcorner.
Okay, you gotta sit down. Oh no! Oh no!
Everybody popcorn Nana. Zip, unzip.
Oh, okay.
And you can't let go.
Yeah, hold the front of your shin and you'll stay seated.
Hold the what?
Just like you are. Just keep hold.
That Billy's will be over here every week now.
Ready? You guys have to rotate. I'm old.
Injury timeout.